ได้เวลาจะทำวัดเย็นกันแล้วเนอะส่งโยมไปทำงานนะทางเมืองไทยขอบคุณถ้าอยู่ฟังสวนก็ได้ไปทำงานให้เป็นสุขท่านเลิศโยโสภะคะวะอะระหังสัมมาสัมพุทโธGod the blessed one, the Lord who fully attained perfect enlightenment, Savakkato Yena Bhagavata Dhammo, so the teaching which he has followed so well, so Paripanno Yatsa Bhagavato Savaka Sangho, and to the blessed one disciples who have practiced well, Ramayan Bhagavanta Sadhamman Sasangha, the Buddha, the Dhamma and the Sangha, in Mehisaka Reyatara Aropite Tiapipo Chayama, we render with offerings our rightful homage, Sadhuna Pande Bhagava Sujira Pariniputo Api, is offered at the blessed one, having eternal liberation, Pachima Chanata Rukam Pamanasa, still and foundation forever generations, Imea Sakare Prakatavana Karamote Padikannada, may this simple offering be accepted. Ammatang Karatang Hitaya Sukhaya, for the long-lasting benefit and for the happiness it gives us. Araham Samma Sambuddha Bhagava, the Lord, the perfectly enlightened and blessed one, Buddhang Bhagavantang Abhivademi, I am the homage of the Buddha, the blessed one. Savakkato Bhagavata Dhammo, the teachings so completely explained by him, Dhammang Namassami, I bow to the Dhamma. Supatipanno Bhagavato Savaka Sangha, the blessed one disciples who have practiced well, Sanghang Namami, I bow to the Sangha. Annamayang Buddhassa Bhagavato Bhuvapa Kanamatarang Naromase. Now repatriate remain we homage to the Buddha. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato
public practice. Samme antaraya me vare santa se tassa. By His power may all obstacles be overcome. Kayena wadaya wadela sawa. By God His spirit of mind. What then to come and Bhagavatam Vayayan. For whatever wrong action I have committed
ท่านนามายังสังฆานัสสตินายังกโรภาเส
นาเรคชันดารักรักชันดาเดสังโฆ
สุปฏิปันโน
ภะคะวะโตสาวกสังโฆ May the blessed ones disciples who have practiced them, O Chupatipanno Bhagavatu Savaka Sangha, who have practiced directly, Yaya Patipanno Bhagavatu Savaka Sangha, who have practiced insightfully, Samiti Patipanno Bhagavatu Savaka Sangha, those who practice with integrity, Yati Tangkatari Purisa Yukani Atta Purisa Bukala, that is the full presence of the being. Is a Bhagavatu Savaka Sangha. These are the blessed first disciples. Avunaya Sasvanavati Hakis. Avunaya Bhatiya Hospitality. Takinaya Bhatiya offerings. Anjali Karaniya Bhatiya Christic. Anuttarang Punyakitang Lokasati. They give occasion for incomparable goodness to others in the world.
ท่านนามายังสังฆาภิกิติกโรภาเส
Now recognition in celebration of the Sangha.
สัตตมะโจ
Supati Pati Kuda Riyutta. Born of the Dhamma that Sangha we had practiced well. Yata Pita Varaya Upara Sangha Siddha. The field of the Sangha from occupies of all beings. Sila Tikamma Bhavara Sayaka Yajita. Guide and in body and mind by excellent morality and virtue. One Dhammahamma Dhammayana Dhammanam Susutam. I live in an assembly of noble beings perfected in purity. Sangho yo sammapaninam saranam kemam uttamam. The Sangha is the supreme secure refuge of all beings. Adhyanasadithanam vantamitam sirena. And the truth of ยังปุญญังปัสสุตังอิทัง by my devotion to the Sangha and the blessing of this practice, Sabbhe Vyantaraya Vivahe Tatsate Tatsa. By this power may all obstacles be overcome.
กายเยนะวาจาย
Yava Jela Sava, by body spirit of mind, Sante Kukaman Bhagatan Mayayam, for whatever of action I have committed toward the Santa, Sanko Patipanna Doachayantam, may my acknowledgement of fault be accepted. Lalantare Samvari Kumbasante, so that in future they may be resting regarding the Sangha.
ท่านนามยังตีตาปัจเจเวกนาปาตั้งพนามะเส
Now let us recite the passage for reflection on the pursuit of the right faces.
ปัจจามยา
Apacchave Kitava Yankeva Ramariputam, whatever of ayutthane without consideration, Tang Yavadeva Siddhasa Patikataya, was simply toward of good, Unasa Patikataya, toward of peace, Dang Samakasavata Siring Tapa Sampasanam Valikataya, toward of the type of flies, mosquitoes, wind, sun, and red flies, Yavadeva Hiriko Vinapaniccharanata, simply for the purpose of covering the parts of the body that cause shame. Achamaya Pachave Kitava Yuvinapado Pariputta, whatever output I usually without consideration, Sanevatabayana Madayana Mandanayana Vipusanaya, was not to prayerfully, nor for intoxication, nor for putting on weight, nor for vivification. Yavadeva Imasakaya Savitya Yatvanaya, but simply for the survival and continuance of this body, being Suparatiya Brahmacharya Nukahaya, ending in affliction for the support of the holy life. Iti Puranam Chavedanam Bhatiyankari, mindfully like this, realize the struggle feelings of hunger. Now Panchavedanam na upadesami, and not create new feelings from overeating. Yatarajami Pavitsati and Avachata Pasuri Harudanti. I will maintain myself with memory and live in comfort. Achamaya Panchavikitavayam Sena Sanam Kariputtam, whatever lodging I usually without consideration, Tang Yavadeva Siddhasa Patikataya, was simply the word of hope. Unasa Patikataya, the word of peace, Dam Samakasavadana Pasiring Sapa Sampasanam Patikataya, the word of the kind of flies, mosquitoes, wind, sun, and red flies, Yahweh ะปริคารุปริพุตโต whatever medicine or practice of hearing the sick I used today without consideration so yava deva upananam vaya bhanikanam vedananam palikantaya was simply proper of an indication of image that had arisen apaya vajaparamatayati and for absolute protection from disease
กรณียเมตตาสูตรใช่ไหมญาติโยมยังอยู่กันหลายคนไปรับบุญถึงบ้านเลยกะระนิยมันภะกุสัลเลนะ
This is what should be done by one. Yantam santam vatang apisameja. Who is skilled in goodness and who knows the path of peace. Sakha uchuta samuchuta. Let them be able and upright step forward. So vachuta samutho anatimani. And gentle in spirit, humble and not conceited. Santa Sakoja Soparoja, contented and sincerely sanctified. Apakityoja Salahuka Utte, unburdened with duties and fruitful in their ways. Santin Parioja Nipakoja, peaceful and calm and wise and skillful. Apakapokulesu ananukito, not proud and demanding in nature. Najaputam samajareginti, let them not do the slightest thing. Yena vinyu pareu pavadayum, let the whitewood let the report. So kino wakemino hondo, raging in practice and in safety. Sape satta bhavantu sukhitata, may our beings be at peace. Ye kete panaputate, whatever living beings there may be. Rasavatavarawa anavasesa. Whether they are weak or strong, or meeting none, Ekavaye Mahantawa, the great or the mighty, Machima Rasaka Nukatula, medium short or small, Ekavaye Jahatita, the seen and the unseen, Etature Vasanti Avetore, those living and far away, Totava Sampave Siva, those born and to be born, Sape Satta Bhavanto Sukhitata, may our beings be at peace, Naparo Parami Kupeta, let none deceive unnatural, Nati manje tatakachinan kinchi, or despite any being in any state, Kaya Gosana Patika Sanya, let none true anchor, Nam Yaman Yatsa Dukkha or he will become upon another, Mataya Pariyam Kutam, even if our mother forgets with her life, Ayusarika Puttamanurake, her child, holy child, Evam Pisapapute Sumana Sambhavade Parimana, so with her harvest of children, children on making livings, may Parimanam, radiating kindness over the entire world. Uttam Atotatiryanja Sambhadam, spreading upwards to the skies and downwards to the depths, outwards and unbounded. Avelanga Sapata, freed from hatred and evil. Etanjarami Sinnova, whether standing or walking. Sayanova Vatasa Vekata Mita, seated or lying down, free from drowsiness. Etam Santim Atitaya, one should sustain deep recollection. Brahma Malang Viharani Tamao, this is said to be the upright abiding. Etinta Anupatama, by not holding to fixed views. Silava Tasanena Sampanda, the one who has ruled and is full of right will. Kame Savinaya Keta, being free from unselfish desires. Nani Chato Kapachayam Punariti Te, is not born again into this world.
Panamayao Disana Vitana Patayo Panamase.
Now return the process of sharing and aspiration.
Imina Punyata
Amena Upachaya Guruttara, through the goodness that arises from right practice. Adariyo Pakara Jamata Pita Jaya Tata Piyamaman. May my spiritual teachers and Christ of Praetoro, my mother, my father, and my relatives, Saviyo Janti Maharaja Gunavanta Narabija, the sun and the moon, and all virtue afflictors of the world, Brahma Maharaja Indra Daruka Paraja Devata, may the right ethos and the celestial beings guard the spirits of the earth and the rock of death. Yamomita Manusaja Matata Verika Bija, may those who are friendly, indifferent, or hostile, Sabbe Sata Sukhi Honto Punyani Pakatani may always receive the blessings of my life. So Kanta Devetandento Kipam Papeta Omatan, may they soon attain the threefold grace and will rest at last. Imena Punya Kamena Imena Utisena Ja, show the goodness that arises from my practice, and through this act of sharing,